Okay, so I've just unboxed one of these fans and I'll show you a little bit about what I mean. I mean, they're quite nice looking fans. I mean, they look good, and everything it says it's great on the box. You know, delivers 30% more higher airflow, etc., etc. But you know, whether they're as good as some of the Noctas that are about, I mean, they're sort of half the price. These are going for about £10 at the minute. So, but it was the, you know, the PWM function of them that I was interested in, and that's that it's got a 4-pin power connector, so that you can regulate the temperature better. I know you can do that with 3-pin fans as well, but I didn't really want to plug 3 fans all into one header on a motherboard. I've heard that it could be okay, that it should be fine, but didn't really want to take any risks. So I've gone ahead and I've got this cable here. As you can see, you get this first cable that plugs into your motherboard, and that's just got your two sensor cables, and then you draw the power for the rest of the fans from this Molex. Now, it would have been fine to use 3 pins, but if you plug 3-pin headers into these 4-pin sockets, I don't know if you can make out that, but there's only, it would just basically run them at 12 volts, because although you've got on here, you've got the sensor cable telling it what speed to run at, it only goes to the first fan, which is designed for, I mean, it's labelled CPU, I won't be using it like that, but that's got all the pins in it, so that one would be fine. And I guess maybe you could probably run a splitter off of that cable, or a couple of splitters to get 3 more fans. It all just got a bit complicated really, and I thought, well, I'll just go with some fans which are like this, and they look rather nice. Sleeved cables on them. I mean, they sound nice. I mean, they're similar to what I've heard about the Noctas, which I did want to go with before I got these. I mean, they've got the sort of the liquid bearing in them and everything. You know, the specs look really, really good. Don't know if you can make that out there on the camera, but if that's to be believed, they should be great. Also, it comes with these, you know, soft rubber dampening grommet things for installing fans. I've never used these before. Whether I'll have problems because it's a home theatre PC, and that bit might actually stick out of the side of the case a little bit and look ugly, so I may have to just screw them down, but we'll see. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you an unboxing of that and just explain a little bit about how I was going to power these fans. And as I said in my previous videos, I've got 3 of them to do. So thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, etc. See you later.